Hey guys, figured I'd make a quick little video on unboxing and a quick demo on this digital torque adapter. I saw this particular one on Project Farm's channel. He uses it quite a bit to demonstrate how many foot-pounds it takes to break a bolt loose. So I thought that was pretty cool, and open it up real quick, show you what it comes with. Decent little case. Got the instruction manual in there. Alright. Sorry about that. Cool. Nice little case to keep it protected. Comes with a couple of batteries. Obviously not installed. It's pretty stout. I'll put the batteries in real quick and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, back here. Went through the manual a little bit just to figure out how to go through the modes. Put the two batteries in. Got it set to foot-pound. And the neat thing about this, like I said, is you can set it to use it like a torque wrench. So you go in and set your value. Alright, I got this thing set up to peak, which will display the maximum torque applied. So if I were going to break something loose and I needed to know what that was torqued to initially, like if I were working on a lawnmower or something like that, or something you don't have a readily available torque spec to, and if you know what it took to release it, you can kind of gauge what the maximum torque setting is putting it back on. Now, given you got to allow for corrosion, so if it's a rusty bolt, you know, it's going to take 10, 15, 20% more energy to break it loose than you would tightening it, but you can factor that in depending how corroded it was. So I'll go ahead and loosen one of these lug nuts on here and see the max force it took to release it. Nope, that one I already broke this. Alright, so that one took 145 foot-pounds to break loose. These should be set to about 85 to 100. So best bet is, obviously there's some corrosion on it, and you know, who knows, the last person put these wheels on, maybe they went crazy with an impact. But now, at least I know that stud can withstand 145 foot-pounds of torque. And like I said, it's pretty cool because you can also use this as a torque wrench. Oh, come on. So if you go down to T, hold it, and that's the setting. So let's just say I want to set these to 100 foot-pounds. Cool. Hold it. Now it's set. So if you don't have a torque wrench, this could be a cheap alternative. Alright, So beat. I know I'm good. Let me try and get a better view of that screen while I'm doing that. Alright, so kind of just handy little tool. Like I said, I'm not going to really use it as a torque wrench probably, but maybe I'll use it for the some applications you need to torque it down to a certain foot-pound and then turn it a certain amount of degrees. But my main interest with buying this was so I know when I break things loose how much foot-pounds of torque it took to release it. Thanks.